morning everyone, Merry Christmas. It is Christmas Day today and I'm starting the vlog a little bit later on because this morning we've pretty much just been spending the time unwrapping presents, going through our stockings and our main presents and stuff. It's been really nice actually. We're at my grandma's house and we're with my cousins and stuff. And yeah, we've got a bunch of really nice things. I'm planning on filming a what I got for Christmas video, so I'll share with you what I got then. But now we're about to go and head out for a curry for our Christmas dinner. And you might be thinking like, that's not very Christmassy, but I don't know, our family likes to go out sometimes for meals on Christmas Day just because like who wants to clean up? Because yeah, there's 23 of us as well, like you don't really want to have to clean up for 23 people. So we're gonna go for a curry at an Indian place and it's like a buffet I'm pretty sure, and Braden's never had an Indian. Isn't that like shocking?
Never had an Indian.
You've never had a curry? Like shock horror, but he's gonna try one for the first time today. Very excited. It's been a really nice day so far with everyone. Mum got me these antlers. Like, aren't they the most fashionable antlers you've ever seen? They're really cute. So it's been a lot of fun. And now we're gonna meet up with the rest of the fam. War is over now. We've arrived at our Indian restaurant. Oh, you're so cute, your little Christmas jumper. Show us. Love it. Lara, you're all red. Theo's not very festive. Theo, where's your Christmas outfit? And Arthur?
She stole it. Dory stole it.
Dory stole it. Evie. Oh, yeah. Dawes. Wait, Roz? Where's Roz? No. Hey. And then Lily, Fran. And Brayden. Show you as well. I didn't need to show everyone my Christmas jumper. Can you hold the camera, Brayden, so I can show everyone my Christmas jumper? Okay. This is what my mum got me. It's this little polar bear with these little pom-poms. So the restaurant that we're at is a buffet, so we can just go up and like get whatever we want and stuff, which is really nice. But they don't obviously celebrate Christmas here, so it's kind of bizarre because it's not Christmassy, but I don't know, it's still nice. Did you enjoy your Indian, guys?
I loved it, but it was a bit spicy.
Yeah, it was a bit, wasn't it? But I mean, everything kind of tasted the same. Like, it wasn't the best Indian in the world, if we're honest. Wasn't that much variety, but we usually love it. Oh, hello, mother over there. Blowing kisses, and Mingy. How was your Indian? Good? That's good. How was your first time eating Indian?
It was okay. Chicken was good.
He did it. He tried it. I was so proud. Except he went back and ate a lot of fried chicken, so not too much curry, which is very uncultured, but still proud. And so this is Christmas. I hope you had fun. Well, I don't know the words. You don't know the words? Here and the dear ones, the old and the young. And Merry Christmas. And a happy New Year. Stop doing my reindeer. Oh, with my reindeer. Let's hope it's a good one. Without any fear. After having a spicy curry, this is the song that everybody's singing.
Is that breath? Oh, did you just fart? Is that your breath? I smell something foul. It must be your bowels. It's kind of demonic. You need a colonic. You don't need any. Have you not seen that, Ella?
Yeah, Closelle, of course. Is that your breath or did you just fart? Is that your breath, Granddad, or did you just fart?
Own it, own it.
More like it's been breath.
Why am I assisting? They're so excited with this Christmas jumper dance. Do you want to borrow mine? Yes, please. Why are we dancing? We should all like all come in it.
Wait, are we flipping you, Lily? What?
Wow.
You just said something now.
I'm gonna need a Martinis.
So we're currently making some, oh, Einstein's got more. Oh, your hair's so fluffy, Thee.
Thank you.
Sorry, I just touched it. I was like, oh, sorry. So we're making some espresso martinis. We bought these like little kits and you just add vodka and ice. Shake it like a Polaroid picture. You got a girl band cheering you on here, Brayden. We don't have martini glasses though, but yum yum yum.
Coffee.
Let's see if it actually looks alright.
Does that have dairy in it?
We kind of need to have like coffee beans to put on top or something. Ooh, first people. Cheers, guys. Cheers.
Ooh, that's good.
Can I try some?
Oh, it's actually really good.
It's so good.
Tell me, girls.
Can I smell it?
That's nice.
That tastes like proper.
It tastes like
Okay,
tiramisu.
well, we should make some more now because my mum and stuff wants them, so time to make some more. So we've now moved to my Auntie Lynn's house and she's setting up a feast again. Are you setting up a feast?
Christmas, because you have to just eat at Christmas.
That's right. What have we got? A lot of snacks, like it. Great. Cheese, like it. And alcohol. So we've just been playing a bunch of drinking games like King's Cup and stuff. You missed out. We've been playing King's Cup. Well, what do you call it here? Ring of Fire.
I do. Yeah,
Ring of Fire. Yeah, you missed out. But it was fun anyway. We're gonna play. We're gonna do a quiz later because Theo, Ilaria, and Ed made a quiz.
Yeah?
Yeah, it's like a family quiz.
A drinking quiz?
No, Arthur. We've just started handing out our presents to our secret Santas. Brayden, stop tickling my feet. And yeah, we're just handing them out, but obviously nobody knows who's Secret Santa, but this is like one of my favorite things that we do all together. And they're always like joke presents. So I'm gonna reveal. Oh, is this for me? Thank you. Ooh, I actually have no idea who my Secret Santa is as well. Like, what? Oh, are you my Secret Santa? You're not meant to do that, Rosie. Oh, you're my Secret Santa, Rosie.
No, it wasn't me, no.
You are my Secret Santa. You are. No. But what do you mean? You just said Ella just gave it to you.
She's giving it you from another Secret Santa.
No, she's my Secret Santa.
Yeah,
Oh my god, you're my Secret Santa. You just told me. It's not a secret anymore. Check out how many people are trying to fit in this room right now. Some down here, some round here, and one round here. It's chaos. Rosie's just come round and given us all of these, I'm guessing chocolates that she's wrapped in.
They're Gavin and Stacey inspired.
The Gavin and Stacey, they're Gavin and Stacey inspired presents. I don't remember this. How do I?
We'll show you the clip after.
What does Nessa do?
Everyone open it and say what you've got.
Okay. Oh, I remember this from Gavin and Stacey.
I got
Snickers. I got a Snickers.
But I thought it was inflatable something else for a sec. Inflatable reindeer ring toss.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
We should play that later. God, the wrapping's been good, Ross. Sorry. No, it's good. What have I got?
Oh, it's because it's in a bag, Ella.
Oh, it's in a bag.
Yeah,
What
but
bag?
you've ripped it now.
Oh, from the This is so nice. What the heck? You went to Lush? I think that was £5. Was it £5?
It was $4.95.
Cheapskate!
We smell it.
Sorry, I mean it was $6.
When you take it out, it's like a Santa's belt thing. Santa's belly.
Oh yeah, put it in your hand and you'll see what it looks like.
Put it in your hand and turn it upside down.
Like that jelly.
It's like a jelly thing.
Look at the bottom. Yeah, move out the way. You don't want to Santa's belly.
But Ella, I think you're supposed to cut it.
So good.
That's so cool. This is my Secret Santa, Arthur.
Are you lonely?
It's a blow-up woman for if he's lonely. Oh my god, Ed's having his makeup done while I'm blowing up a woman.
Oh my goodness.
This is Brayden's Secret Santa present. Put it on your head.
Do you have the same like, if you cheat on someone?
Wow, that is enormous.
Wait, my turn.
So that means that you cheated on one.
Hey, I got it on. We've given Brayden a red nose to be the reindeer. You're so cute. And the doll's just chilling in the hoop because you know the doll.
Oh yeah, just
She gets around. We're now about to do a family quiz that my cousin Theo, Ed, and Theo's girlfriend Ela have made. What is the 8th planet from the sun?
Oh, it's my pants. It's my pants.
Young. Team Young. Apparently all of our parents are on a team and they're team old and we're team young, all the grandchildren. So I'm now ending off this video quite a few days after Christmas, but I hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. I had such an amazing Christmas with my family and I'm so glad I vlogged it for you guys and also for myself to look back on. I had, like, honestly so much fun. I haven't actually filmed a what I got for Christmas video yet, but if you guys would like me to film one, I can do it when I get back to Australia, because I know that I also have some Christmas presents waiting for me when I get back to Australia. So if you still want to see that video, comment down below. It'll probably be up in like the 2nd week of January if I decide to do it, so let me know because I need to decide. But if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!